In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users from your Amazon account, focusing on adult profiles and family members within Amazon Household. Managing your Amazon household efficiently is essential to keeping your account organized, secure, and tailored to your needs. Whether you're updating family arrangements or simply want to streamline access, removing users is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. First, you'll want to head to your account. You can find this option by navigating to the drop-down menu where your name is displayed after you log into your Amazon account. This menu has several options that we use to keep our account in check, and Your Account is where our journey begins for this task. From there, look for the Amazon Household section, or for some it might appear as Manage Your Household. This section is crucial as it's where all the profiles linked to your account are displayed, including adults and children that are part of your Amazon household. Once you're in the Amazon household area, you will see a list of profiles that are connected to your account. This includes any adult profiles, children, or teens who have been added. Here's where you have the ability to manage who has access. Each profile listed should have options you can select. Among them will be an option to remove, usually located right underneath their name. It might seem like a small link, but it's pivotal for this process. Click on this Remove link for the profile you wish to eliminate from your household. Now, when you decide to remove someone, a confirmation prompt will typically appear. This step is important because it ensures you're making the decision deliberately, acting as a safeguard against accidental removal. Confirm the removal when prompted to finalize eliminating the profile. At this point, you will have successfully removed the user from your Amazon household. This change will take effect immediately, and that individual will no longer have access to your Amazon household benefits or content. While this process is straightforward, it's noteworthy to mention that any time you add or remove someone from your household, Amazon may enforce a waiting period before additional changes can be made. So it's beneficial to plan these changes ahead if you expect the need to make multiple adjustments. And there you have it. By managing your Amazon household settings, you can ensure that only the desired individuals have access to your account. If you have any questions as you go through these steps, don't hesitate to check Amazon's support resources. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that managing your Amazon account is now a little smoother. Be sure to check back for more insightful guides on utilizing your digital tools to their fullest